in our cooking classroom. My name is Teacher Gleb. Let's meet with our helpers.
My name is Shiki. My name is Kasintorn. My name is Lauren. My name is Shiva.
And we are from
K3 to Restaurant.
Very nice. And today we're gonna cook.
Fruit cupcakes.
Very nice. Okay, and I want to ask you, what ingredients do we need to cook fruit cupcakes?
Flour, milk, sugar, whipping cream, food.
Wow, so nice. I suppose it's enough to cook. I suppose we are ready. First step, who wants to help me?
I can. The first thing we need to do is put the flour into a bowl.
Very good, thank you. Sorry. Oh, nice. Very good, thank you so much. Okay, next one. Who wants to help me?
I can. Put the milk in the flour bowl.
Very nice, okay. Oh, that's great. Thank you so much. And next step, who wants to help me with sugar?
I can.
Thank you so much.
And some sugar.
Okay, very good. Take a spoon, put it. I suppose we need some more. And some more. Thank you so much. Okay, great. And last thing, we need to mix it. Who wants to mix? Thank you so much. Let's mix it all together. Very good. Okay, that's great. Thank you. And now we can continue mixing and then we can start to cook. That's great. We are done with our mixing. We just need to prepare for baking. Who wants to help me? Okay, that's great. Take a spoon, please. Sure. Yes. And put inside. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. Next one. Let's see. Take a spoon. Very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, number 3. Take a spoon, please. Oh, so nice. Don't worry. Okay, that's great. And last one. Try. Okay. Wow. Yeah, wait. Don't worry. Okay, we are done. Now we have 4 cupcakes and we can bake it. Our cake are ready. And now we need to bake it. How long we need to bake? How long?
25 minutes.
Very nice. And let's do that. Let's put cakes inside the oven. Close it. And let's wait for 25 minutes. And as you see, our cupcakes are ready and we can decorate it. We can see some fruits. And tell me, what is it?
Strawberry.
Very nice. What is it?
Cherry.
And last one?
Red.
Very good. We need to clean it a bit. We need to cut. As you see, we don't need it. We don't need to eat it. Then we can turn the cherry, as you see. We don't need to eat it. Okay. And lastly, grape. We can cut the grape and check. Do we have any seeds inside? Do we have any seeds inside? No, nothing here. Okay, that's great. We need to cut it and decorate our cupcakes. And now we can our cupcakes. Let's add some whipped cream on our cakes. Let's start. Wow, so beautiful. Let's do that. Let's clean it. Very good. Wow, a lot of whipped cream. Nice, good job. Almost done. Also beautiful. Nice. And as you see, we can see some fruits here, and we can add some fruits on our cupcakes. Let's start. Let's do that. Wow, great. Strawberry. Nice. Oh, the strawberries are good. Nice. We can add some cherry maybe. So beautiful. Wow, strawberry cupcake. Good. Nice, nice. Okay. Yeah, that's great. And we are finished with our cupcakes. And tell me,